This is a giveaway video, but before you log out of this video thinking to yourself, well, I haven't bothered entering the competition, therefore I've got no chance of winning, stop. Because actually, you might have entered this giveaway competition and never even realised it. Keep watching. Last night, I went to bed with 4,999 subscribers. And this morning I woke up with just over 5,000 subscribers. Yay! Now that's good news for me and my channel, but it's also potentially good news for one of you viewers, because I'm just about to do a 5,000 subscriber giveaway. And the good news, like I alluded to at the outset of the video, is you might have entered this competition and didn't even realise it. Let me explain why. I like to do my subscriber giveaways in a slightly different fashion to most YouTubers. Firstly, you don't need to be a subscriber to participate, because in reality, it's impossible for me to verify. Secondly, you don't need to like or share any particular video in order to be part of this giveaway, because, again, in reality, it's impossible to verify. All you need to have done to be eligible for this giveaway is to have left a comment in one of the 1 or 2 videos prior to me hitting the 5,000 subscriber mark. So if you've commented in any of my sort of recent 2 or 3 videos, then there's a good chance that you could be winning this prize. Well, I always like to give away books as part of my giveaway, and this giveaway is no exception. You've got the option, whoever the winner is, to pick from one of these 2 books that I'm offering. First book is The Walker's Guide to Outdoor Clues and Signs by Tristan Gooley. Trust me, it's not going to be this very well-thumbed, battered copy. You will get a brand new copy sent to you if you select this particular book. If you've got an interest in the outdoors, if you spend time outdoors, and I'm guessing you do, then this book is pound for pound, page for page, sentence for sentence, absolutely packed with information that won't just open your eyelids the next time you're outdoors, it will rip your eyelids off in terms of making you see things differently the next time you're out and about. So one of the options is The Walker's Guide to Outdoor Clues and Signs by Tristan Gooley. The next prize option is this book, Survival: Who Lives, Who Dies and Why by Lawrence Gonzalez. Now I'm about halfway through this book at the moment, so I've not finished it, but the half that I've read is fantastic. It's a book with a difference. This is not your typical survival how-to book. There are no diagrams in here of somebody hunched over a bow drill set. There's no dodgy sketchings of really bad feather sticks or anything like that. This is a book that's more about the psychology of survival. It looks at real world cases where people have been in situations and have died or have survived, and why that might be the case. It looks into the psychology, it looks into the way that the brain works, it looks into working memory and short-term and long-term memory. It's a really, really good book if you're interested in why some people in certain circumstances, despite being incredibly well-trained and experienced, make absolutely the wrong decision and often perish as a result of that. There's some examples in here that you and I can probably align to. There are also some examples in here such as US Air Force jet pilots landing incredibly high speed on aircraft carrier decks. We're probably never going to be in that situation, but it's interesting to see how accidents have occurred and as I said, how incredibly well-trained, experienced people who should know better make completely the wrong decision, and also how people make good decisions as well. So slightly different book on this giveaway, but that's one of the options as well. So now let's take a look at who it is that's actually won one of these 2 books. The way that I'm going to do this is I'm shortly going to sort of cut away from this shot, focusing on my phone, and we're going to go through a process where I'm using a random comment selector called Pick It. I'm going to look at one of my previous videos, it's got a lot of comments. I'm going to insert that into the app, it's going to randomly generate a comment, and whoever comes out as being successful in the randomised prize draw will get the option to win one of these 2 books. So, good luck. Here we are, we're looking at my most recent videos, and you can see that the second one down, Bushcraft Campfire Cooking, has had the most comments recently of 61 comments. I'm going to open that video up. I'm going to grab the URL, the link for that particular video. I think it makes sense to record the, to grab the video that's had the most comments, because it should give more people a chance of winning. I'm going to close that down, and I'm now going to open an app called Pickit. I'm now going to open up the Pickit app. There we go. I'm going to paste in that video URL, the link that we've just grabbed. I'm going to hit the search button. It's found 25 unique comments, so many of those 61 must have been replies. I'm going to hit the comment button down here in the bottom right hand corner. And the winner is Ian Bachanek. His comment was he would add some roast chicken and bacon, both cooked at home to keep the meal prep short in the field, and garlic aioli when it comes, garlic oil when it comes off the fire. So Ian, massive congratulations. You are this video giveaway prize winner. Well done, my friend. Congratulations, Ian. I bet you never guessed when you were responding to my comment about how would you change this culinary delight that I'd prepared out in the woods. I bet you never thought that as you were responding to that you were inadvertently entering a giveaway competition. If you could contact me directly, please, Ian, to let me know which of these two books you would like me to order for you and to send you directly, then contact me as soon as possible and let me know that. The only caveat I would add to this, Ian, is that in the past people have won prizes and they've never contacted me. and clearly I've not gone out of my way to contact them. So if you want these prizes, if you could contact me by the middle of November, the 15th of November. If you could contact me by the 15th of November, that's just under 4 weeks to have watched this video and contact me. I will get these out in the post to you within 24 hours of you sending me your address details. Once again, congratulations, Ian. And I should say, thank you so much for everybody who does regularly contribute and comment to my channel. It really helped. I read every single comment. I may not get around to responding to them all, but I definitely read them all. And hopefully now, for those of you that do comment, you'll perhaps be a little bit more keen to do so in the future, because as I say, every 1,000 subscribers that I get, I'll be doing another giveaway. All you need to do is to be commenting on my videos to be in with a chance to win it. Ian, congratulations once again. I look forward to hearing from you very shortly. Everybody else, stay safe, folks.